Hello everyone, here I am standing before the camera and along with my camera technician Mustafa Page. Dear students, today I am going to discuss the second PUC Business Studies subject code 27, the book part 1. So under that, chapter 1, Nature and Significance of Management. Dear students, keep in mind this is the first chapter, Nature and the Significance of Management. Dear students, look here. So nature and significance of management. As you all know, every business, the main intention of the business is to earn the profit. The main goal or main theme is to earn the profit. So without expectation of profit, so that organization is cannot to be said as a business. Dear students, so with that concept, so that we are going to reach. So what exactly the management? So to fulfill those kind of expectations or desired goal, so we must have to make a good plan. So as you all know, the plan or planning, so well planned is half done. So here, so to fulfillment of those expected plans, so every organization need the management. So without the term management, the organization cannot reach its desired goal, that is expectation of profit or earning profit. So that is the reason. So here, so look here students, nature and significance of management. So what exactly the management contains? So under the term nature says. Significance means, as you all know, the importance or objectives of management. Dear students, that I am here going to write some brief informations regarding under the head introduction of the term management. Dear students, as we discussed nature and significance of management, so let us know what exactly it contains. So let us discuss regarding the introduction of this chapter. So look here, dear students, that I have already given the notes and I have already sent all the written notes sent all these written document in a soft copy. So we can look at that. So under the head introduction, dear students, the management is an inseparable part of a business organization as it is required in all kinds of organization, whether they are manufacturing or trading. So dear students, as I said, so every organization has its own goal. So that is to earn a profit. The business has its main intention, that is to earn a profit. To fulfill that intention, so that needs the term management. Here, look here, under the this topic, that is introduction of management. Management is an inseparable part of a business organization. Means so without the term management we cannot conduct the business organization. So even though we have conducted the business organization, so without this term means management term, we cannot we cannot fulfill the desired goal of the business. Look here, so management is an inseparable part of a business organization as it is required in all kinds of organization, whether they are manufacturing business. So business in the term we can say the manufacturing, trading, here, whether they are manufacturing or trading. Management is very essential. It is very important for all organizations, whether it is big or small. So profit or a non-profit organization, that we have already discussed in the previous videos while studying accountancy, accounting for non-profit organizations. So even though that is non-profit organizations, it is very essential to conduct the management and even whether it is service or manufacturing organizations. So dear students, I would like to write some more lines after that. Why? Because it is here it is insufficient place. Okay, dear students, by continuing here I have written some rest of the part under introduction. So management is essential as well as inseparable. So management is essential as well as inseparable because it helps each and every individuals to contribute. Look here, the term contribute the best for the success of business. Dear students, as you all know, the success of business is to reaching the desired goal. What is the goal of a business? That you know, the main intention of the business, the main goal of the business is to earn the profit. So the fulfillment of that goal or that intention, so before that it needs well planning, and its execution is the management. So this is about the brief introduction regarding the management. Let us discuss somewhat what exactly the nature and significance. So before that, I would like to discuss some more points after this introduction. Okay, let us discuss about the concept. Under the concept, so meaning of management in brief. Yes, students, look here. Management is an art of getting things done from others. Look here, I repeat once again. Management is an art of getting things done from others. Management is a goal-oriented process which aims at achieving the goals of business by getting the things in effectively and efficiently manner. So very important, the first sentence, that is done from others up to done from others. Look here, management is an art of getting things done from others. So the effective utilization of the resources available in an organization, that is the what exactly the management. Look here, management is a goal-oriented process. Dear students, as I said earlier, every organization has its main intention, main goal, or its objectives. So that fulfillment of all those items, all those terms, the management is very essential. Management is a goal-oriented process which aims at achieving the goals, fulfillment of the goals of a business by getting the things in effectively as well as efficiently manner. So here the fulfillment of those desired goals in the form of effectively as well as efficiently manner. So with this, so we can get the brief information about the management, dear students. Okay, dear students, with the above explanation, so we can see here, management means, look here, the term management, it is very essential. Management means managing the work, people and operations. Look here, the work, people and operations. These three are very essential terms in an organization. So look here, management means managing the work, people and operations. It does mean that effective utilization of available resources which are available in a business, of a business organizations in effectively and efficiently manner. So as I said earlier, every organization has its own goal, that is earning the profit. So for the sake of earning or for the sake of fulfillment of those desired goals, so dear students, look here I am going to write something. This, say for example, it is a goal of an organization, that is earning a profit. To reach this goal, every organization has its own plannings. The execution of plannings, it needs effective management in an organization. So this process, dear students, then only we can reach our desired goal. I can say here it is the desired goal, our target, our the expectations, the main intention of the business. This is somewhat the goal of the organization or the business. To fulfillment for this business, every organization has its planning. At the beginning only I have said the well planning is nothing but the half done. So for the sake of execution of this planning, every organization needs the term managements. Managements, here we can say the effective utilizations or you can say management means managing the work. Here, managing the work, managing the people means the labor and operations of a business or financial operations or whatever it may be. So, of a business organization in effectively and efficiently. So, in the next part, we will discuss regarding what exactly effectively and efficiently, dear students. Okay, dear students. So, as we have seen in earlier paragraph, there were two terms. So, one is effectively. So, what exactly the term effectively? Dear students, in management, the term effectively means, look here, the term effectively means to finish or complete. To finish or complete the work or task in a given time. That is called effectively. So, in an organization, say for example, in an organization, the manager gives one task or one work to complete within 5 days, for example. So, the manufacturer or the executor, if he has completed the work within the 3 days, out of 5 days he has completed such work within 3 days, that work is said to be effectively. It is very essential while reaching the desired goal of the business, while managing, while conducting the management in an organization. The term effective is or effectively is very essential. Okay, dear students. So next, let us discuss. Before that, I would like to wrap this. Okay, dear students. The next term, that is efficiently or efficiency. So look here, what exactly the efficiently? In management, efficiently means to finish or complete the given work or task with the least wastage, of resource. So very important, the valuable resources. Look here, in management, efficiently means to finish or complete the work or task with least wastage of resource, so that a business is able to reduce the cost of production. As we discussed, dear students, every organization has its own goal, that is earning of profit. So while making fulfillment of this desired goal, dear students, so not only this one effective utilization of available resources, so along with this we need to minimize our cost of production by controlling the wastages in an organization. That is called somewhat efficiently or efficiency. So here we can see the few lines regarding, a few words regarding the efficiently or efficiency. In management, efficiently means to finish or complete the work or task with the least wastage of resources. Means minimizing the cost of production or minimizing the wastage in an organization. So then only we can reach the desired goal of an organization. So that is called as somewhat efficiently or efficiency in an organizations. Okay, dear students, that we have seen so many things regarding the term management. So with the help of this one camera and all the things that we are trying to reach you all. So if you are very happy, if you are interested in this video, please subscribe Konnur Schools YouTube channel, and don't forget to like the bell button. Thank you very much. See you on next video.